So here we have the obligatory AI edition, and it is what is missing from your CV or your resume. Now, the main thing I want to emphasize here is that I write what is missing. You should not use AI to create a CV from scratch, and I have a walkthrough and you'll sort of see why. I even ask it to create a CV based on my CV. However, if you do have your resume already ready, there are definitely ways you can use AI to tweak it, to try to improve it, and to see what you can do based on the types of jobs or the types of clients that you are looking for. So one thing you can do is you can upload your CV or your resume and then list all of your experience, maybe from your cover letter or from LinkedIn, and ask it what's missing in your resume. And don't worry, we're going to go through a walkthrough for a couple of these in a second, but I want to list a couple of things you can do. You can list your ideal client and try to see what is missing from your CV, or how can I tweak the CV to better serve this client, this ideal client. And you could also just ask, what's missing from this CV? What would make it a stronger CV? What would make me a stronger candidate for this client or for this job? But let's go through the walkthrough right now so you can sort of get a visual and see some games you can play using AI with your CV.